Kate and Jared again, and today I did a volleyball game, and for the first time.
I am.
You know that book
Okay.
Aaron, you know that book that she was just reading? It was my book.
Tuesday.
Stop recording.
Before we say bye. Okay, I'd like to say I'm sure you enjoyed this great video.
I'm sure you. That's enough.
Better not put your head up.
Yeah. Now? Okay, sorry, our video camera just fell down. As I was saying, Kate and Jared and Leslie did a great job making this video, don't you think? Hip, hip,
Yes, they
hooray!
did.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hooray!
hooray!
That doesn't sound very enthusiastic. Okay, all right. Dad, do you have any words of wisdom for us?
It's been great. We have a great family here, and all of you are part of our family wherever you are. How was that, huh? Wisdom?
That was wisdom. Okay. Remember what I'll get the giggles. Remember our family motto. What is our family motto? Work hard, pray hard, and pray hard.
Work hard, play hard, pray hard.
Right, you got it.
I remembered that.
Do it. Okay.
Hi, Joanna.
This is the finale. This is the big finale.
Hey, Mom.
Ready?
What?